This is water drop hammer mill. Power is 55 kW. Capacity is 5 to 8 tons per hour. The water drop crushing chamber structure can reduce material circulation, carry out secondary crushing, and improve grinder machine working efficiency. The grinder can crush various grain materials, and it is suitable for various poultry and livestock powder feed processing. It can be used in medium and large farms and feed mills. This is an impeller feeder. Power is 1.1 kW. The feeding speed can be adjusted according to the carriage or main machine of the grinder. And it is equipped with an aero removal device, which can remove aero impurities in the materials and increase the service life of the grinder screen and hammers. This is the grinder hammers made of tungsten carbide wear-resistant material. The service life is 1.5 times longer than that of the ordinary hammers. This is the grinder sieve. The furnace can be obtained by replacing the sieve with different apertures. The sieve aperture is from 1.2 mm to 12 mm. The materials that need to be crushed are fed from the top of the grinder through the screw conveyor or bucket elevator, and the material is discharged under the grinder. It can be equipped with anti-weight conveyor. It can also be equipped with a post-dust removal system to increase the working efficiency of the grinder. Our factory has more than 30 years experience in feed machine field. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email.